My name is Krista Rzeski. I work for Federated Co-operatives Limited, which is a company in Canada. And we also have 155 retail associations across Western Canada. The biggest issue was sustainability. The systems and processes were changing so fast that training materials were outdated. People struggled to remember what to do once the systems went live. Learning in the flow of work means employees don't have to stop what they're doing instead of relying on memory from training or calling the help desk. Employees get step-by-step guidance or prompts and walkthroughs right in the system while they're completing the tasks. Digital adoption isn't just a tool, it's a cultural shift. Ultimately, success means shifting from a train and release method to a build, measure, and adapt model. Because at the end of the day, WalkMe isn't just about technology. It's about making learning feel relevant, personal, and achievable for every user.